Hey there, everyone. I hope you're having a great Friday. I hope you got an amazing weekend planned. Let's talk about making some money today because I think there's a lot of money out there to be made. Let's get right into the markets. The market is blowing up this morning. We're already up over 3/4% on the S&P. Why? Well, partly because crypto is blowing up. All the crypto market is just exploding. Bitcoin up over 9% this morning. Ethereum up over 4.5%. Cardano, Solana, they're just going crazy. Which I will say is incredible for the position that we're holding over in Coinbase. We actually have a double position over in Coinbase that we bought last week. I think we're in at an average of I think we're in at about $74. Let me check here. Yep, we're in at about a $74 average on those positions. We originally bought it at, uh, I want to say about $79 and then bought it again down at around $69, $68. I don't remember exactly. I don't have that in front of me. But it is showing my average being 74 on those positions. So they are up amazing this morning. Coinbase already in the pre-market up over $78 and climbing. So really looking forward to seeing where that goes today because quite frankly it's not up near as much. We're up about 7% in the pre-market. So I think there's a lot of room still for it to go. I'd really love to see this climb back up and hit that $90 mark. Now, it may not hit that today, but if we can keep this kind of momentum, we could definitely get there in a hurry and we can gain a lot of that today. So, interested in seeing how that plays out. That is why we average down and hold on to anything that we know has great potential. This is where knowing your stocks and knowing what you're buying into and having that fortitude to hold on to it pays off. Not that we've had to hold on to it for a long time, but we didn't get scared that it was going down. We held on to it. We knew it was going to come back up and make some money. And it is showing proof today of that. Neo, I want to talk about Neo. If you wasn't able to sell Neo because of not having enough to day trade on and you bought with me yesterday at $17, you are looking at making some money today. Now, Neo closed over in the Hong Kong market at 1882. So we're sitting already in the pre-market today. We're up about 1815. Now, I sold my Neos yesterday, made about a 3.4% gain. I was really happy with that. However, it's up over 60 cents from where I sold at even in the pre-market, and I do believe there's a lot of room for it to go. In fact, I'm looking for Neo to have a pop. If it drops back below 18, I'm going to pick up another position today just to ride it up and see if I can't get up there 1850 or better on that position and make another quick swing out of that. Now, you also know I recommended and I bought some UVXY yesterday afternoon in the after hours, preparing for today to sell off. Now, there's no doubt today looks like it's going to be a good day, and it very well may be, but I'm still happy I got those at 944, and I still think there's a lot of potential, even though I'm looking for today to be a good day. As we get closer to the end of the day, we could still see that sell off, and those stocks could still look very good by this afternoon. And if not, it's a good enough price whenever we do have a little pullback in the market Monday or Tuesday, they'll look real good anyway. So that's what I'm looking at today. That's what I'm playing. We've got oil by the barrel popping off a little bit. I'm keeping a very close eye on IMPP. I really wish it had gotten down to my 35-cent range yesterday and I'd been able to pick it up because we're up in the pre-market, up over 36 and a half. I will be looking for that, see if it pulls down right at open, see if I can get a position. However, we still are holding our CEI position at 32 and a half cents. So if we can get a little pop out of that today, get up above that 32 mark, we'll make money on our CEI positions regardless. So that's what we're holding. That's what I'm playing on today. I'm looking for today to be a good day in the market. I'd say up past dinner, and we could end up still closing in the green. However, like I said, I am expecting my UVXYs to start moving up. They're beat up in the pre-markets, and they're going to be beat up at open, but we'll see how they look by this afternoon. We had a short trading week. Make sure you tune in this afternoon. We'll see how the numbers worked out. It's going to be a great week, even with it being a short week. So until this afternoon, make sure, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.